how to transfer money from Wise to GoTyme Bank. So to get started, go ahead and open up the Wise app on your device and make sure you are signed into your account. Now click on the send button and that will take you here. So from here, click on this add button at the top right, select your current currency and then select bank details. Now select the recipient of your transactions. For example, you want to send it to someone else, simply select that and then select bank name and then search for GoTyme Bank. Click on it. And in here, you need to enter the full name of the account holder, their account number, city, and their email to be able to notify them with this transaction. Now, enter the amount that you want to send. Wise shows the exact fees and exchange rate before you confirm. Now, review all details carefully, then tap confirm. Wise processes transfers to GoTyme via local bank rails like InstaPay or PasoNet.